doesn't always start with a trickle. Sometimes there's just a sudden downpour, thundering outbursts that shakes the very air around us, forcing us to run for safety, seeking shelter from the storm. The storms in our lives are many and come in many forms. Like monstrous swelling waves, they threaten to overpower us. Or storms can look so overwhelming, obscuring our vision. Storms in our lives can make us cower in fear and fall into panic. Storms can make you feel weak and wanting to quit. But that's not who we are. That's definitely not who you are. We are resilient. We won't falter. We meet every challenge head on. Whatever the challenge, we will overcome it. We will overcome it. Repeat after me. We will overcome it. Whatever the obstacle, we keep moving. We keep fighting. On bended knees and arms raised high, we will touch the sky. Our tears will be replaced with smiles. So smile. So dark clouds and rainy days, bring your pain, let loose the rain. We will be dancing in the rain. Life is richer because of the rain. Sunshine is sweeter because after the rain, we are stronger because of our past pains. We will see the sun again. We will triumph. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain, to rise again amidst our pain.